was good work you did back there. You've earned my confidence.
Why have you been hiding, John?
6 months ago, while on patrol, Ren discovered a survivor in the wilds. Brought him in. A scientist. He'd continued working after the collapse, but no longer for a cure. Now, for a solution. We've been helping him continue his research. He believes he's made a breakthrough.
Sir?
He's up at the old Finley estate. Sorry, this had to be classified. I didn't want to spread a false message of hope. I also didn't want him killed in a scramble to get the formula if other settlements found out. Smithy will bring him to the church. I can't tell you how important this is. This man could be our best hope to this war and wipe out the wind.
Why do these things take so long to die?
It's almost down! It's less breathing or bleeding! Right between the eyes.
Get ready. Large target closing on your position.
Stupid. No reason to keep it a secret. Don't get it.
Well, look before you move.
This had better be good.
Sniper rifle! Need that. Peaches.
Whoa, what's in here?
This'll be our little secret.
They'll be back. They always come back.
Knock it off!
Come on! Come on!
I got this!
Let's see what's in here. I'll take that.
How'd you end up out there by yourself? More to the point, why?
Aim for the head! That was intense.